Hello everyone, welcome to another video on image mosaicing. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can mosaic images into one single image, and then you can use it for further spatial data analysis. Now here on my ArcMap, so I'm using ArcMap, so make sure you also follow along with the same geospatial software. So I went ahead and added the data, so click on add data, and I have different tiles which we are going to mask them into one single image so that we can use to extract images. But before we continue, I'd like to show you that there is a video I created on how to flip the images to your area of interest. So after you have performed, let's say, the image mosaicing, and your area was running in between the images, that in between the tiles, you can go ahead and check on that video and then do the same using QGIS and extract the area of study. But in this video I'm going to show you how we can do image mosaicing. So I'm going to add the bands for the first tile. So band 1, click on band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6, band 7 and band 8. Okay, so I click on add. I'm using Landsat 7. In a later video I'll show you how you can remove scan lines. These images are adding, you can see they have scan lines. You can see a lot of scan lines here. Do not worry about that, we are going to remove them in the next episode. So I'm going to minimize this so that we can see the tiles. So I do that this way. So here is the first tile. So I click on add data, I go back one step and go to the second tile, then do the same. So I add band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it is going to add another section of the Landsat 7 image. So I also go ahead and minimize the bands so that we can separate them into two different tiles. So you can see here we have two different tiles for the bands. Now I go ahead and add the next tile. So I go to tile number 3, then I do the same for band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I do the same for the third tile. You can see, go ahead and minimize. Go ahead and minimize the bands. Okay, you can see I have the first tile, second tile and third tile. Now let me add the area of study. So go ahead and go back another step, go to shapefile and add my area of interest. As this is my area of interest, let me right click and then click on zoom to layer. Yeah, so this is the area. You can see the tiles are overlapping each other within the area of study. So what we are going to do is, I'm just going to show you how you can do it using one band, then you will do the rest because it's just the same procedure. So for that I'll go ahead and click on Windows, then image analysis, then I will select the first band. So I'll uncheck the bands which I'm not going to use, so that it becomes easier for me to differentiate. So I have band 1 here, then band 1 for the second tile. So I go ahead and remove these other bands. Band 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now I have band 1 for the first tile, band 1 for the second tile, and band 1 for the third tile. What I'm going to do is click on this one, then hold on Control, click on another band, then hold on Control again and click on the third one. So you can see we have band 1 for the first tile, band 1 for the second tile, and band 1 for the third tile. Then down here under processing, you can see we have processing here. We have the first tool as clip, the second one is what, mask, the third one is composite, I guess. So down here we have the shaded relief. If you are doing something like to apply the color ramp to create a color shaded relief to one or more selected DEMs, you can use this one. So if you have your DEM there, you can select. So for us, we're going to click on Mosaic, which creates a temporary layer by mosaicing the selected layers. The mosaic methods are chosen from the drop down. Okay, you can choose here whether you want last, first, minimum, maximum. For me, I'm going to click on the blend, so I'm just leave as the default. Then I click on make sure that these are highlighted. So I think I can just repeat this. Highlight this, band 1, band 1, scroll down, and then band 1. So I repeat this and check if they are highlighted. So you can see band 1, band 1, band 1 again, band 1. Okay, so I go ahead and click on Mosaic. Just click on that one, then it will run down here, as you can see. So I think it has finished, so we close the tool, and here we can check if we have the mosaic. So we're going to uncheck the bands, the original bands. So uncheck this. You can see they are not there. You can see. Okay, now I can uncheck the area of study also, and now you can see that we have one single image or band. You can see, yeah. So you can go ahead and repeat the same procedure. Go to Windows, image analysis, and highlight the second band. So we can say band 2, band 2, band 2, then do the same. Okay, so also you can see this one is stored in the default database, which is the users, app, data, local, and so on. So we're going to right click on this image and then go to data and export data, so that you can use this image in let's say QGIS or so on. So here you can see I'm already in the mosaic folder that I had created. So I'm going ahead and change the name to, let's say, testing underscore b1.tiv, and then click on save. So make sure you are in the folder where you want to save this, otherwise you may not find it. So click on save, then export with add data pixels to the output raster, then we say yes. So we export the whole image or the whole mosaic image as one, so that after that we can go ahead and add it to QGIS, still in the ArcMap, then we can clip off the area of interest. Okay, so let's just give it a minute as it continues to run down here. Okay, so I think it has finished. So they're asking, would you like to add the exported data to the map as layer? So I say yes, so that we can see it. Okay, so I can go ahead and check the other one. Now I have this as the testing B1. You can see, so this is Landsat 7. You can see it has a lot of scan lines, but this I'll show you in the next tutorial. So if you like it, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and also leave a like in the comment section. The video for creating masking or clipping the area of interest, I will leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.